the Twiist Pump, it comes with the actual pump.
Yep.
And then it comes with the needles, syringes, and wipes, which is pretty cool. And the cassettes. And then the infusion set. It's kind of nice. It comes with everything basically already here.
I want to suspend.
So Danica is learning this as we go. She's going to go into the phone. Hit suspend delivery. Hit confirm. Good job. And then what we do next, so what we're doing today is we're going to change out the Twiist insulin pump. So right here, this is on Danica's side here. Take that off. We're going to squeeze. You want to do it? Okay. Okay, squeeze and pull. Yep, and then straight off. We're not going to worry too much about any of this because it's all done. We'll just snap that back together. This is the not so fun part, is it? You okay with that?
Yeah.
Or does it hurt?
It's okay.
Okay, so this lasts 3 days. She's a tough kid. Sometimes we'll just use an alcohol wipe with it. And as you can see, there's a little bit of a red lump there, which we keep getting from the cannula. It's a reaction. So what they recommend is that we change it every 2 days instead of leaving it on for 3 days with the insulin going in like it is. So we are going to clean this up. Good. And then we do have like an antibiotics ointment that we can, it's a pretty big lump. Are you okay?
Yeah, it kind of
Does it
hurts
hurt?
when you like rub it over.
Yeah, it's alcohol. It's disinfecting, cleaning it. You good? Okay, where do you want your next one? So we went on our stomach last time there, and then we went over here.
Right here again.
Okay, then we're going to go more forward if we do it, okay? So she still has a little bit of a spot on this side. We've just kind of worked our way around one side, the other, this side, that side. Now we're back to this side. She still has a little bit of a bump here. Does it hurt?
No.
No? Okay. So now what we go and do is we go into our phone. We've already suspended the insulin. We're going to go change cassette. Okay, start cassette change. Walks you through the process. We already disconnected that. We're going to hit next. Okay, so now we take the pump. I'm going to take it out of the case here. It's a cute little Twiist pump. And it literally shows you step by step what to do. We're just going to untwist it here and open it up. Usually you can get it undone here. Did you already twist? Oh, there we go. So this is the actual pump. This is the cassette. You had like 30 units of insulin in there. You can't do anything with it. You just discard it. So this all basically is garbage. Okay, and then this is the battery. So we've already opened up that. We're going to go back into the phone here. So now it wants us to change out the battery. We just pop this up.
The one for my pump.
So we line these up with one another. And you'll hear that beep. I'm going to go back into the phone. And searching for the pump. Attach cassette to pump. So now we go into this part here. We're going to open this up. And what we do is, yeah, her blood sugar is high. We should have changed this out a little sooner. We line these two parts up. Bring it together here. And then we twist. So you'll hear that click. Usually it lines up a little bit better than that. So it's probably operator error. There we go. Now it's lined up good. And then we twist it. And that's the only pain here is this keeps timing out. I should have the auto lock on later. So it's connecting here. And then it says scan cassette. We'll scan it. Last time I think we did 180. Okay, so we're just going to do 150 units because we had insulin still in there from this last time. So I'm going to hit done. We'll stay with 150. I'm going to hit next. Okay, so Danica, your job is to make sure this doesn't time out, okay? So you just tap that if you need to. Now we go into grabbing her insulin. We gotta grab the needle. Got it. Good job, girlie. You're on top of it. I'm proud of you. Open this up. Untwist this. I'm gonna open up this top piece. It's nice. The refill kits are pretty awesome. It comes with literally everything in the box that you need. We're gonna twist this on. Good job, girlie. Thank you. This is the starter kit, honey. Can you grab one of the other ones for Mom? The refill kit? That's okay. So we're gonna pull this off here. Exposes the needle. I'm gonna open up an alcohol wipe. We're gonna alcohol the top of the insulin vial. You got a cute little case it comes in, protective case.
It's cute.
It is cute, isn't it? What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw this down to 1.5 milliliters, 150. Okay, so I'm right there. We're gonna insert the needle into the thank you, honey. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the air in. I'm gonna tip this upright, and then I'm gonna draw the insulin out. Okay. And I always go a little bit slower just so you get less air bubbles in there. We're gonna go all the way down to, I'm gonna do 1.6. And then I'm gonna take this out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure there's no air bubbles, right, Danny?
Yeah.
I'm gonna flick it out. Then I'm gonna bring it up to that 1.5 mark. Did you make sure your phone didn't time out? Oh, there,
Yep.
we just lost it, didn't we?
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't? Okay, good job. Again, flick it out. We're golden right there. Now what we do, there's a little itty bitty hole right here. We're gonna stick the needle in there. Danny, make sure it doesn't time. Okay, needle's all the way in. Now we're gonna bring the insulin all the way into the cassette. Bring your phone over here, honey. Thank you.
Here you go.
Until it is empty. Let me pull that straight out. Put the cap back on. Okay. And then we're gonna hit next. We already did that part. Hit next again. Now it's wanting to put the tubing on. I'm gonna open this. Honey, that's what we talk into. We're gonna open this. And we wanna connect. It's wanting you to basically connect everything here. So you grab this and you just twist it on. Like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna leave this like this for right now. Because what we're gonna do next is put her
Pump
I don't know
on.
why they don't have this set up like this where you put this piece on her.
Fusions.
Putting on the infusion set here. We're changing it out. Yeah, it's an infusion set. Good job.
I
Five,
did
girl.
it.
And goes.
You got it before Dad. Okay, so where are we going? With it on your right side of your belly, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna lie down, all the way down on your back. Yep, we can just leave this here, honey. All right, tough girl. Which way do you want to go? Let's spin you. There you go. All right. So we're gonna go here, okay? Is that okay? Last time we were on this side, we're gonna give that a little bit of a break. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna alcohol wipe it. A couple different times here.
It's cold.
Sorry. We are gonna take one of these skin tack wipes that are really, really, really sticky. I don't know why there's two of them in here, but there are.
I don't want to be sticky.
We're gonna use this part. We just kind of want to get the area that is gonna have that applied to her body. Because otherwise, it's gonna stick really good, isn't it, Danica? Everything.
Sticked a few days ago right here.
Stuck to everything,
Yeah.
huh?
Yesterday.
Yeah. And that one we can basically probably discard, but the other one in there is probably good. And my hands are really sticky. Thanks for grabbing that, Monica. What we're gonna do next is untwist this. Like so. I'm gonna go around here. My finger. Just to get this off from here. Otherwise, I mean, it sticks really well. You wanna make sure it leaves this device or this piece and it sticks to her body. So we're gonna go right here. Okay, you're tough. You're so brave. And I'm just pushing it on here for right now. And then I go a hard push, and then I'm gonna go around 20 different times. You okay?
Yeah.
Good job. And the cat's destroying the
Cobra
living room.
Luna.
We're gonna go back the other way. So I'm not pushing, I'm just literally trying to get that adhesive.
Like making it
Trying to get
a
it,
circle.
yep, trying to get it off from here. And then what you wanna do is kind of tilt and pull, and it's that little device there. Itty bitty.
I could.
Yep,
Do
hold
what?
on 1 second. Might as well relax, huh? And then we're gonna hit next. It says not to insert it yet. What I like to do with this is I'm actually going to put an overpatch, skin grip overpatch on her, just because
To make it.
at one of the softball games, what happened, Danica?
It came off.
What came off?
The fusion set.
Infusion set? Yep, the whole thing came off,
Yeah.
didn't it? The adhesive stuck really well, but the whole plastic infusion piece literally came out of her body. It was crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we just put this overpatch on just to make it stick better.
I don't know how it came off.
I don't know either. We put that on. And these were just too big. That's why there's two different pieces and I cut them. I could probably cut them even smaller. Maybe we'll do that here next time. Now it's wanting me to prime this needle here, and I just stuck it back into the original bag it came in because it's sterile, it's clean. So I'm gonna rip this tubing off here. Because I'm gonna hit start prime. So I gotta watch this needle here, this tubing. And I just learned something new, that it doesn't matter what direction this tubing goes with this pump because of how it's delivered to the body.
But can it go downwards?
It can, yep, it can go down with this one. Any other pump you would want to,
Do it up or sideways.
yep, good job. So we're waiting for a little drop to come out, and you can actually watch the
There's some
insulin
sharp
go,
needle there too.
yep, that's where it comes out of, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can usually see where it is. It takes about a minute for it to prime through this tubing, which I can see it. You see it, Danica, right there?
Oh yeah, I do.
Yep.
It's right there.
It's coming up there. Yep, you got it. It is right there. Good job. So as you can see, you see the little drops there?
Oh, yep, I saw it.
Okay, now I'm gonna open this. Oh my gosh, it keeps locking on me. I'm gonna hit stop prime, because insulin is really coming out now. Do you see droplets at the end of the infusion set? I hit yes. And then it says completing prime. So now I'm gonna squeeze this piece to open it.
Not hard though.
Yep. And then we're gonna go this way with it, Danica. Should we go this way?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm gonna clamp it together till you hear that.
Click.
Yep.
There, it
I
clicked.
heard it on one side.
Maybe not the other.
Maybe it's good. It's good.
Okay.
Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit start basil. Doo-doo-doo. And we are golden. So we go here. It says 99% battery, 120 units of insulin. And we're good to go. She has 2.6 active right now, so we're not going to dose her anymore. She has quite a bit there. It should work pretty well. We'll alcohol and clean up that little bit of stickiness here, Danny. Just to show everyone, we're still actually on the original packaging here with the starter kit. But this is how it comes. So you literally have everything you need. If you change it every 2 days, it's a 20-day supply. There's 10 of the infusion sets in here. So that would be 20 days. Otherwise, if you change it every 3 days, then it's a 30-day supply. So it's really nice to have everything right here. You pick the whole box up monthly. And high five. I'm proud of you. Good job.